I am Manish, a relationship manager at PA Wealth. I am excited to let you know about our company's training session. Our training session at PA Wealth are excellent. They give us the latest information and skill we need to do our jobs well. We cover everything from market trend to how to build great relationship with our clients. These sessions have been very helpful for me. They improve my ability to give personalized advice and connect better with our clients. I feel more confident in creating investment strategies and staying updated with the market changes. The training sessions are designed to keep us skilled and ready to provide the best service to our clients. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Kushal Chadda and I have been working at PA as a research associate for the last 2 years. One of the best parts of working at PA is everyone is friendly and there is a strong sense of teamwork. Coming from a non-investing background, I can say I have learned a lot from my seniors. Our leaders are supportive and always open to new ideas and suggestions, which makes it easier for our team to learn and grow. Thank you.